In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the blur tool in Photoshop. We'll walk through a clean, non-destructive workflow so you can soften details exactly where you want them and keep full control over your image. Start by launching Adobe Photoshop and opening the image or project you want to edit. This tool is great for gently softening skin, reducing distractions, or smoothing areas that feel a little too sharp. Because it works like a brush, it's perfect for targeted adjustments rather than blurring the entire photo. Before you make any changes, duplicate the layer you plan to edit. In the Layers panel, click to select your image layer, then press Ctrl plus J on Windows or CMD plus J on a Mac. Working on a duplicate lets you compare before and after and ensures your original stays untouched. It's a simple habit that keeps your edits flexible and easy to revisit. Next, choose the blur tool from the toolbar on the left. The icon looks like a small raindrop. If you don't see it right away, it may be grouped with the sharpen and smudge tools. Click and hold to reveal it. With the tool active, check the options bar at the top. Locate the strength setting and set it to 100% to start. Think of strength as the intensity of each brush stroke. Beginning strong makes it easy to see what's happening, and you can dial it back later if the effect feels too heavy. You'll also find brush controls there. Let's adjust those next. Set your brush size and hardness to fit the area you're working on. Larger brushes are ideal for broad regions like cheeks or backgrounds, while smaller brushes give you precision around edges and finer details. A softer brush creates smoother transitions and prevents harsh spots. You can make quick size changes with the left and right bracket keys as you work. Now, paint over the areas you want to blur, such as eyes, lips, or skin, depending on your goal. Apply the blur gradually rather than trying to do it all in one pass. Multiple light strokes build a smoother, more controlled effect. If the blur looks too intense, lower the strength slider and continue. You can always undo a stroke with Ctrl plus Z or CMD plus Z. When you're done, compare your results by toggling the visibility of the duplicated layer. Click the eye icon in the Layers panel to switch between the original and your edited version. This quick check helps you judge whether the blur looks natural and balanced. That's it. You now know how to use the blur tool in Photoshop effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.